An earthquake of magnitude 5.2 occurred only 13 minutes ago 67 kilometers northeast of Miyako, Japan. Japan's National Research Institute for Earth Science and Disaster Resilience, NIED, reported. The quake hit at a shallow depth of 27.2 kilometers beneath the epicenter near Miyako-shi, Iwate, Japan, early afternoon on Thursday, July 13, 2023, at 2:43 p.m. local time. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth of the quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculations, or as other agencies issue their report. A second report was later issued by France's Réseau National de Surveillance Sismique, RéNaSS, which listed it as a magnitude 5.4 earthquake. Other agencies reporting the same quake include the citizen-seismograph network of RaspberryShake at magnitude 4.8, and the German Research Center for Geosciences, GFZ, at magnitude 4.8.